Runpod is a more reliable and scalable for serious AI workloads, while Vast AI offers cheaper, flexible options but with more variability. Runpod provides a stable cloud GPU experience with enterprise-grade orchestration, container support, and consistent performance across distributed training setups. It's ideal for teams running large-scale models or production pipelines. You'll get predictable uptime, fast networking, and access to over 15 GPU models. It's built for reliability and speed, especially when training billion parameter models. Vast AI, on the other hand, is a decentralized marketplace. You can find cheaper GPU rentals from individual providers, often saving $2 to $3 per hour compared to Runpod. But the trade off is inconsistency. Performance varies by host, and network speeds can fluctuate. It's great for experimentation, short jobs, or budget conscious users, but less suited for mission critical tasks. If you need guaranteed performance and orchestration, trust Runpod. If you're optimizing cost and flexibility, Vast AI is for you.